like to do now is demonstrate a Internet of Things enhanced lab showing online collaborative work using Zoom breakout rooms and Google Classroom. What we have here is Elena is in a Ward, Arkansas, which is about an hour from me. I'm in Bryant, Arkansas. And she's setting up a calorimetry experiment where she's going to be measuring the temperature of a neutralization reaction. She's going to be streaming the data to this Google Sheet in real time, and I'm going to be running her Pi through this VNC viewer. So her Pi is in what we call headless mode, and I have access to it from my home here in Bryant, and I'm going to start collecting data. And Elena, would you like to carry on from here?
Yes. So here I have a 2 molar HCl and 2 molar NaOH, and I already put the base in the calorimeter, and we are getting some initial temperature right now. So the way it works, we're gonna take a few temperature points right now. We are going to add acid right now, and I'm gonna swirl it around.
And we notice the time is 15 seconds.
Replace the cap. Okay. So while the temperature is rising, I want to talk a little bit about the setup. So we have the vermeer temperature probe that is connected to a Go link, and then from there it is connected to a Raspberry Pi through a USB port. And we are using a Python program to run the script that is streaming the temperature in real time to a Google Sheet, and that's what we can see on the screen right now. Dr. Belford?
Okay, and what we want to do now is discuss with the class how this is cooling down. And what we want you to realize is that there are sort of two paradigms of running this experiment. As we did in the summer, Elena was a TA, and she streamed the data to the students, and then the students went and made copies of the data. But if we had enough Raspberry Pis, which are only $35, to give to each of the students, then the students themselves could be streaming the data, and this data could be streamed into a dashboard. So over here I have a dashboard, and I've got more than one data stream. This was done at an earlier time. And so in effect, I could have each student's data going to a different tab, and then I could have a dashboard where I could show the data for everyone. So let's go back to our experiment, and we're now up to 100 seconds, and I think we can call this quits. We have a nice steady decay here, and we're ready to share our data with our students. Thank you.